So yes, we're back on a Japan Airlines flight. This time it's quite interesting. We've got a window seat right at the front of economy of the 737, which just had announcements it's designed for international use. So we've got a TV screen, which is the first time I've seen on a domestic flight before. Apparently it doesn't work. They've got rid of the features. Anyway, this is JA312J, which is going to take us down to Tokyo Narita International Airport. Yeah. There's JA8977, I think. We're going out to Tokyo. Haneda. Yeah. Can I push him back?
Airways, Cathay Pacific 航空、イベリア航空、そしてハワイアン航空とのコードシェア便でございます。本日ご一緒いたします機長は安倍、私は客室を担当いたします高橋でございます。携帯電話など電波を発する電子機器の使用は法律で禁じられております。機内モードなどに設定するか電源をお切りください。また機内は化粧室を含め全席禁煙でございます。電子タバコなどもご利用いただけません。それでは1時間15分ほどのお旅、どうぞごゆっくりとお過ごしください。Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Japan Airlines Flight 3040 bound for Narita International Airport. This is a code-share flight with American Airlines, Sri Lanka Airlines, Finnair, British Airways, Cathay Pacific Airways, Iberia, and Hawaiian Airlines. Your pilot is Captain Abe, and my name is Takahashi, your senior cabin attendant on this flight. We will remind you that the use of cell phones or other devices that emit radio waves is against the law. Please set your devices to the mode which do not emit radio waves or turn them off.
So, less than 5 minutes after the departure time, we are now taking off. Do you know whether this runway faces south or not? Runway should face north, actually, I don't know. And off we go. We'll take Narita.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be taking off shortly. Please make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Thank you.
That lovely engine sound. Taking off towards the north, I think. That's the gear going up. International Airport. It's quite cloudy today, by the looks of things. We actually went around a few minutes ago because the landing queue was so busy. I think we missed our slot or something like that. Yeah, the landing queue was really busy. We didn't go around like at the airport, like while we're still above the clouds. We were told that we would be. Yep. Adding another few minutes to our journey before landing. Yep, we're quite close to landing at Narita now. You can probably tell. Yep, there we go. Violent landing, but I think there was quite a bit of turbulence on that right ball. Tokyo Narita, we're just coming off the runway.
皆様、ただいま成田国際空港に着陸いたしました。
Let's see what we can see up.
この飛行機は67番ゲートに到着いたします。
Gate 67 we're arriving. I think our British Airways flight leaves from gate 72, but I have to have a check on that. So yeah, on the subject of British Airways, we've got a 5 or 6 hour turnaround here, which is a bit too long. Forced to get up at 5 this morning and then go down to the airport. We could have got a much later flight, which is a shame.